Okay, now in this tutorial we will talk about this website, this platform Pagol.io, what it is, and what we can do in it and what's it's offering. Okay, so let me introduce it. It's a DApp that using tokens and crypto tokens in the blockchain to make APIs interconnected, and IIs, especially IIs, use it to combine and do fusion to create new great IIs. Okay, so this website is still under construction, so it's now alpha. Okay, there is no meeting page as you see. This is a balance, so I use it to test and check, and then you will get this balance, and you will be able to extract it from when there is tokens. I'm saying that what you create now, it will be published forever, and it doesn't mean that it's now alpha means your work will go. So that's why I did start with Udemy to make some creations till I complete, and that will motivate me to complete and to hurry up and advance faster to create and complete this website. And minting page, the ecosystem, the deposit, withdraw, anything. So everything will be created after this video. It's depending on what you create. So what you create, it will be monetizable since the ecosystem can withdraw. The more API boxes here, the closer you start getting paid. Okay, so the users of Udemy will get 1000 balance for free. Okay, so let's dig in this and see what this one can do. Okay, so before everything you should have a MetaMask wallet. Okay, how to create MetaMask wallet, it's not that big deal. Okay, we can do it in here, but it's not the subject of this video. Okay, so what this does, okay, have selectable boxes where you can see what's happening here, blah blah. Okay, so these are static boxes like plus, minus, these kind of things. Get value from JSON, make it JSON, combine, blah blah. Okay, these are predefined IIs that you can use. Now there is a little bit of IIs, not so huge. I did focus on OpenII IIs, which is ChatGPT 4 and Daily 2 and Daily 3. Okay. After there is predefined APIs, and so you can create something combined between APIs and IIs. The main thing here is the II. So not because it's trendy, because it's really useful, and you can create really huge things with this. And everything you create, another person can create on top of it, and you get paid where a final client did use your API directly, or the API that use your API in some level. For example, in the level 10, he used you for user API, you will get paid. Yani this is the ecosystem. It has a huge ecosystem that making anything or creating is really something that you can get paid for it. That's why this platform is making and releasing the power of thinkers. Okay, thinkers will be free and they will feel like they can get paid for their ideas. Okay, so that's the final objective of this website. Okay, and you will find what people did create this. Now you have since this tonight you have 1000 credit in each person have an account, so you can create the ecosystem. You can and start it. You can create APIs here. I would be happy to see a lot of APIs, a lot of IIs, a lot of creations here. And please make sure that you did create the good description for every API to make other people understand how they will fit this, and they will imagine how to do this. Maybe you give him some insights from your creation. Okay, I hope this video did help you out to understand what's going on in this website. It's only introduction, and I would be really happy if you join the Discord and ask more. The more you ask, the more this website will advance, and then I would be happy to make it after alpha and prod to make it release it by your energy. And thank you for watching this video.